it's Manda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be setting up my everyday carry, I guess, Frankenplanner for the the month of June. I have my Frankenplanner here. I have my various inserts that I'm going to be putting in. And let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with my work planner, since that's the one that has like information that needs to be a little bit more secret kept for confidentiality. I've already taken it out of here, so I'm just going to grab and put it back into this folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the June one. I really like how like neutral this one is. I need to pull a couple of sticky tabs off here, one here. Okay. So this one is very interesting. This one has just the currently, the monthly, and what's cool about this one that I really like is this goals page. So if you like are looking for a goals page, what I do is I generally, since we've already planned this week in here, it's just planned out, it's pre-planned before doing this video. I really like this page. I use primarily this page for notes. Like I'll stick my sticky notes in various places over here, and I'll use this for various weekly tasks. Unfortunately, June, well, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it'll work. The only problem is this week it's only got 4, and there's 5 weeks because this week here is in here, so that's the only problem with that. So I usually just use a sticky note for that day, but I'm just gonna go ahead and this is just a like a post-it tab that I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it here. This is just make it easier for me to get to flip back from here to here and so on. So that is pretty much my work day. I've book clipped some paper on here so we don't get flashed that information. So we're gonna go ahead and move this here. You've probably already seen this video by the time this video goes up, because it goes up before that. So we're gonna work our way backward into my social media planner. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. This is just a pre-plan for next week for everything. So we're just gonna pull all of this out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep this page in here as well, since I'm still kind of using it. All of this out as well. This is May. Okay, so we're gonna pull this out. This out. This has pretty much the same thing as this. So we're going to keep this in here for now. This is just this is like a brain dump that I need to transfer into here. So we're going to flip this over to June. And I need my social media planner I have here. So we're gonna go into June, April, June. So I need all of this here. I need to get that out. This is my monthly pre-plan. This is what I was talking about for June. This in here, I'm going to unfold this, get everything in here. Then we're going to put, let's move this for a second. May in, and you're getting a sort of flip through of May. there's that. The other page is the currently page. I'm going to go ahead and take June out of here. And we are done with this one. So this is, okay, yeah. We're done with this one. Put you on here. There we go. And that is the social media planner. I've already planned out next week. So there we have that. We're going to go again backwards to my my fitness planner this time. Take these out. Grab the June currently. Grab this. Let's get this in here. This one in here as well. All right. I really like this one. This one's cool. It was. Oh. So we're gonna pull out June. This one aside. Don't need that anymore. June in here. There we have my fitness planner. We haven't done pre-planning yet for the week. So then we're going to flip over to here. So I need this page. This is my catch-all planner. And we're going to pull everything out till May. That's January. And that's okay. And pull all this out. So this is the notes page that sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. So here we go with the June currently. So we're gonna move this to the side for a second while I pull everything else out or put it away. Here's the April last page, May currently. My monthly goals page. I didn't use it. This goals dashboard, didn't really use it. Here we are with that. My insert. Here we go. I think this month was my favorite spread, even though I didn't really use all of it, but hey. And we've got this one here. That in there. That's actually this week. This is today. And then we have the last page that's supposed to be taped onto here, but I didn't do that. I'm very lazy this week, this month. So we're gonna pull. This is the monthly and also the vertical. It's the Blushing It vertical. But this, what do you call it? Dashboard. So I'm gonna take this page, this middle page here out of the dashboard, and I'm going to fold it in half. Like so, and I'm going to put it in my social media section. This is what this is going to go on to for June. This is just like a full brain dump of all of it, usually just a full brain dump of all the videos I'm going to do in June and into July. So there's that. Let's flip back over here. So we're going to go ahead and put did I make a mistake? No, I didn't. Okay, it's right here. Woo, my brain. Okay. So we are going to put the monthly in here. there's that with the dashboard. Let me put in here. Sorry about my chair and all the noise. I had to get my tape. This is just a Darce permanent. I got it at Hobby Lobby, I think, or Amazon, whatever. It's just double sticky tape. All right, so we're gonna take this side of the dashboard and we're gonna take this monthly here, which is from the Blushing It, to go into the vertical, and we're gonna tape these together. I really like the dashboard when I actually use it. Sometimes I just don't do it. It just it all really depends on like what's going on in my brain and in my life, and sometimes I just like write it on a piece of paper and whatnot. Right, so we're gonna carefully try to line this up. There we go. There we have that. They're not quite perfect, but hey, it works for me. So we're gonna put this one in here. So this will be the first week of May. The second, well, the first week of June, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing with the last page. Instead of using this, currently we're going to put the pages together here. I'm going to hold it. That okay. So we're going to just go ahead, tape this down, put the notes pages in. This is leading into July. Have the notes pages here, and we're going to line up the holes. It's just better that way. And stick it down. And there we have that page stuck down. So we're gonna flip this over here. We're gonna put this last notes page and the currently for July in. So that is pretty much it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some dot grid in the back. I have a few pages here, but I'm gonna put some more. There's a few more. Various things in there. All right, and so that's pretty much going to be it for this video, setting up my Frankenplanner for June. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!